Namaste Yogis. What yogic mythology explains that if you can save your prana, if you can utilize your breathing process regularly or properly, you can expand your life span, which is true. So this video is about Kumbhak. Kumbhak means to hold or to restrain, and in yogic world the meaning goes beyond, it goes deeper. And also what is science explaining how to expand this life. So please continue, watch the video fully. It's very informative of new practices. So first, a brief introduction about Bandha and why we are using that Bandha for expanding our life or to get that healthy lifestyle. So as per, we are practicing to restrain, we are practicing to hold, which is Kumbhak, and there is one practice which is called Bandha. So there is one Bandha that if you can practice regularly in your daily routine, you will find the expansion. First, you will find a good health. You will start to get rid of your problems, the ailments or sicknesses, and after that you will find what is that secret that you can expand your life. So Kumbhak means to hold, restrict your prana at a certain level. So for Kumbhak, if you can practice how to utilize your prana nicely, regularly, means you can save your pranic energy internally, which was wasting, or we can say which was just flowing outwards. Now what we do with Kumbhak, we make our energy to settle or to flow internally. So for Kumbhak, it's recommended that you should always sit in a comfortable position, which could be Siddhasana, or even what I would recommend, if you can practice your Kumbhak in this asana, which is called Malasana. So this posture has actually so many workings. Basically, it's concerned with your Kundalini energy, Kundalini power. In Hatha Yoga, when you will go through with those traditional texts or scriptures, Ghiran Sahita, it talks about Malasana. And in Malasana, to sit into Malasana and to practice Kumbhak, it directly expands your vital force. So as you are sitting into Malasana, please make sure your back is straight. First, you make your breathing at normal pace. Means if it is fast, you make sure you bring it to that regular motion. Then the first thing in Kumbhak, as I mentioned, there are different practices into Kumbhak. So here we are practicing Antar Kumbhak, in which I will restrict my prana internally. Most of the people, they utilize the lungs only 10 to 15%, even though if they are paying attention, if they are really aware about the breathing process. So imagine if we can utilize our lungs at maximum, we can definitely expand our vital force. So as we are sitting in this Malasana, if we are practicing Antar Kumbhak, we will hold our breath internally. So we will take a deep breath. And second thing, that Bandha, which is called Jalandhar Bandha. So we will block our prana on the throat. Whenever you want to exhale, you open this Bandha. You can also hold sitting position, which is Sukhasana, if you simply cross your legs, even though you may practice Siddhasana. So for sincere yogis, as I always mention, if you are sincere yogi, This platform is for you, which is full of the ancient and traditional practices of yoga. So, Siddhasana is highly recommended for sincere practitioners who are in their highest level of attaining self attainment. So, for Siddhasana, the real practice is that you have to press your heel, you have to press your anus region, basically sit on that. That's the main practice. You should check that you are sitting properly in Siddhasana. That's why that point, first chakra, Muladhara chakra, which is concerned in this practice, so we have to press Muladhara chakra. Second thing, now this leg will be placed on top of the other leg, and automatically you will feel the alignment. Your alignment will be proper. Again, I will show you same Kumbhak. Antar Kumbhak means internal holding in this position. So you make your back straight. Again, you practice to take a deep breath. You hold your prana, just make Jalandhar Bandha. You can hold. You can start with 5 seconds. You can extend till 10 seconds, 15, 20. In starting, please make sure you are not forcing yourself. As you want to exhale, please open Bandha. That's why you will start to realize your energy level. First, your energy level will be high. Put in comments. How do you practice? Is there any improvement? Is there any change? And your Kundalini, you will find the Kundalini will start to flow naturally. You don't need to put any specific practice. As Hatha Yoga Pradipika is all about a proper disciplined lifestyle. As you start to live in that, as Swami Ramdev mentions, your energy starts to flow regularly, naturally. Prashant J. Yoga, he also mentions different techniques of Kundalini arising. So basically, this is the practice of Bandha. When you practice Bandha, you will start to release and to make this energy flowing regularly. So please put in comments, share the video, let me know about your daily practice. What are the results? If you have any question, any asking, please don't hesitate it. Put in comments and hope you enjoyed the video. Please share the video. Thank you for watching. Namaste.